There are times when we live hard and at some point, we think, is this the right way to live? There are times when we are working hard, but are not sure if things will go well. At times like that, what we need is a standard. We cannot judge life by any standard. But if we have a standard that says that things will go well if we go in this direction, we can reduce our worries and concerns a little. Then, let's talk about the characteristics of people who experience a trance and have a hard time, but eventually do well. The first secret is receptivity. One of the most annoying types of people in life is people who don't listen. No matter what you say, you can see a lot of such people at work. There are also people who keep trying to teach us. When I record lectures, I see such people trying to teach us information that they have not learned with bad intentions. These people are ultimately trapped people. They do not try to learn and think that what they know is everything. People who have read only one book can be more dangerous. They think that the contents of the book are everything. However, since even book authors cannot be perfect, you should not think that what one person says is the right answer. The key is not to think that what you know is everything, but to have an attitude of wanting to learn new things. That is, receptivity. Successful people always have an attitude of wanting to learn. For example, a book about the philosophy of business explains why successful people do well, as never satisfied and always wanting to know more. This attitude is the key to success. The second secret is persistence of passion. The passion needed for success is not how hot it is, but how long it can last. Many people are passionate at first, but it cools down over time. Successful people maintain their passion steadily for a long time. World-class successful people have worked hard with passion for a long time. For example, Warren Buffett has been in business for 70 years, and Bill Gates has been in business for decades. Success does not come quickly. Therefore, it is good to think of it as a game so that passion can continue. Just as you have fun solving problems of appropriate difficulty in a game, you can maintain passion in life by dividing your goals into stages and solving them. In other words, it is important to view the process of life as a game. The last secret is obsession. Receptivity must have a purpose, and that purpose must be for the essence. Obsession with the essence determines success. Just as Chairman Lee Kun-hee of Samsung showed change and obsession to meet global standards, obsession with the essence can be the driving force behind success. To summarize, the secrets of successful people are as follows. Receptivity, not thinking that what you know is everything, but an open mind to learn what you lack. Continuity of passion, maintaining passion continuously rather than hot passion. Obsession with the essence, not caring about non-essentials, but focusing on the essence. If you keep these elements and make steady efforts, you too can succeed. If there is anyone who is having a hard time and is worried right now, please share this video. It will be a great help.